Hello my dear students, welcome to Teacher at Home. Today class we are going to deal the second part of the exponents and powers. Okay, this is the seventh part. We can do the problems now. Seventh part, that is simplify. We have to simplify the given problems. So first question, minus 4 whole cube. So what is mean by minus 4 whole cube? Minus 4 has to be written 3 times. Minus 4 into minus 4 into minus 4. So we know that when two minus are being multiplied, we get positive sign. Minus into minus is positive. Again, that positive is to be multiplied with a negative sign. We get negative. Okay. So minus 4 into minus 4. What is the answer? Plus 16 into minus 4 again. So 16 into 4. 6 into 4, 24. 4 balance 2. 4 into 4, 4 plus 2, 6. So plus into minus, minus 64. That is odd signs means it will be negative. 3 odd sign. Okay. 3 negative it is coming. So the answer is minus 64. The next question, second question. Minus 3 into minus 2 whole cube. So first we can write what? Minus 2 cube. What is 2 cube? 2 cube means 2 multiplied 3 times. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 2, 8. 8. Then 3 times minus coming means minus into minus plus. Plus into minus, minus. So minus 8. So minus 3 into minus 8. Minus into minus, positive. Positive. 3 into 8, 24. So our answer is positive 24. Okay. Are you able to understand? That is, you have to write this again and again. This positive signs coming, you have to write in a box. That is positive into positive or is positive. Negative into negative is positive. Then third question. Minus 3 whole square into minus 5 whole square. That is minus 3 whole square, as we know, minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 5 into minus 5. Minus into minus, positive. 3 into 3, 9. Multiplied with minus into minus, positive. 5 into 5, 25. So 25 into 9. 5 into 9, 45, 5, balance 4, 9 into 2, 18, plus 4, 22. So our answer is 225. Okay, we are getting what sign? Positive sign we are getting. 4 negative signs will combine together to form a positive. Then fourth question. Minus 2 whole cube into minus 10 whole cube. So minus 2 whole cube means minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. That is 2 is written 3 times. Multiplied with minus 10, it is also written 3 times. So first we can write the answer. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 2, 8. Minus into minus, positive. Into minus. Again minus into minus, positive. Into again one more minus is there. So negative. Into 10 into 10, 100. 100 into 10, 1000. 1000 we can write here. Minus into minus. Minus into minus. Positive. Again a minus is being multiplied. What will get? Negative. Here also a negative. Minus 8 into minus 1000. That is minus 8000. So our answer is minus 8000. Are you able to understand? That is minus 2 whole cube is minus 8. Minus 10 whole cube is minus 1000. So minus 8 into minus 1000 is minus 8000. Then now we can go to the next problem. Question number 8. What is that? Compare the following number. We have to compare the given numbers. Okay. Compare the following number. First question. 2.7 into 10 to the power 12. Another number 1.5 into 10 to the power 8. So we have to write is whether it is greater or less. Already it is known that 10 to the power is greater than 10 to the power 8. So 2.7 into 10 to the power 12, it is greater than 1.5 into 10 to the power 8. That only we have to find out. Okay, now the numbers 10 to the power is 12. It is greater than 10 to the power 8. Then next question 4 into 10 to the power 14. Then next one 3 into 10 to the power 17. So which number it is greater? Here 10 to the power is 17 is greater than what? 10 to the power 14. So we have to write 3 into 10 to the power 17. It is greater than 4 into 10 to the power 14. Clear? 10 to the power 17 is greater than 10 to the power 40. So any number accompanying it will also be greater. Just we have to look the powers given. Then next one it is the laws of exponentials. Okay, it is 11.2. Next set of question is 11.2. Question number 1. Laws of exponential. That is, we have to write in the exponential form. Laws of exponentials. Given is the first question. 3 square into 3 to the power 4 into 3 to the power 8. So how to find this? That is, we know that a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. Okay, that is a to the power m. Given here 3 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 4 means a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. So 3 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 4 into 3 to the power 8 is equal to, as a is same, a means what? 3. M plus n plus n. So what is that? 2 plus 4 plus 8. What? 3 raised to 2 plus 10 plus 4, 14. 3 to the power 14. Okay. First you can add 2 plus 4. Then again you can add what? 4 plus 8. Separately also you can do it. First, what you should know is, you should know the law of exponential. What is the law of exponential? A to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. Then second question. 6 to the power 15 divided by 6 to the power 10. So again second exponential, a to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. Okay, this one is the second exponential, this one first and this one is the second. That you should note down separately in your note. So what is the question given here? A to the power 15 divided by 6 to the power 15 divided by 6 to the power 10 is equal to 6 to the power 15 minus 10 is equal to 6 to the power what? 5. So our answer is 6 to the power 5. Okay, that is, thoroughly you should learn this exponential in your mind. Only after that you will be able to do it correctly. Then third question, a to the power 3 into a to the power 2. That's equal to what? We have already learned one exponential. What is that? A to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. Likewise, a to the power 3 into a to the power 2, that is equal to a to the power 3 plus 2, which is equal to a to the power 5. So our answer is a to the power 5. Fourth question, 7 to the power x into 7 to the power 2. What is that? A to the power m. So if you are writing the exponential again and again, thoroughly you will be able to do it faster. Okay, a to the power m. See that all the values given in below it is same. A to the power m into a to the power 2, that is equal to a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. Likewise, a to the power 7 to the power x into 7 to the power 2 is equal to 7 to the power x plus 2. Okay, we cannot write it as x2 because x and 2 it is different. Okay, then we can do next problem. Next one, question 2. Second question. Simplify and express each of the following in exponential form. So you have to simplify it and write the exponential form. Simplify and we have to write the exponential form. Okay, given is the first question, 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 4 into 4 by 3 into 32. So how can we write this? That is, all the numbers it is found to be different. So we have to uniquely write this. So first we can write 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 4. 4 can be written in which form? See here, 4 divided by 2 get 2, 2. So how much? 2 it is coming 2 times. Okay, so 4 we can write as 2 square by 3 into 32 can be written in which way? See here, 32 divide, it is divisible by 2, 16, divisible by 2, 8, divisible by 2, 4, again divisible by 2, 2, 1. So how many times 2 it is coming? 3, 5 times it is coming. So what we can write here? 2 to the power 5. Okay. So if you are writing the 2 together, 2 to the power 3 plus 2 into 3 to the power 4 by 3 into 2 to the power 5. So 2 raised to 3 plus 2 it is 5 into, again one more 2 it is coming here. Okay, one more 2 coming here means what will be the result? We have already studied that a to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. So 2 to the power 5, 2 to the power 5 divided by 2 to the power 5 means 2 to the power 5 minus 5 into 3 to the power 4. This 3 we have to write upside. That is on the upper portion. So minus 1 is equal to 2 to the power 0 into 3 to the power how much? 3. 2 to the power 0. Any number raised to 0 is 1 into 3 to the power 3. Okay, so this was the answer. Then coming to the next question. Coming to the next question. 5 to the power, second question. 5 square whole cube. That is, this is a second question. Okay, second question. 5 square whole cube into 5 to the power 4 divided by 5 to the power 7. As we know that 5 square whole cube. That is, how do we can write this? A to the power m whole square whole raised to n is equal to a to the power m multiplied n. It is not m plus n. Okay, we have written as a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. But here it is in the bracket. So outside the bracket, how it will come? A to the power m multiplied n. So what we have to write here is 5 to the power 2 multiplied 3, 2 into 3 into 5 to the power 4 divided by 5 to the power 7. That's equal to 5 to the power of 6 into 5 to the power 4 divided 5 to the power 7 is equal to 5 to the power 6 plus 4 divided 5 to the power 7. What is this? 5 to the power 10 minus 7, which is equal to 5 to the power 3. So using the exponentials, we have to write this. First, we have to find the exponential. A to the power m whole raised to n is a to the power mn. That we have to find first. Okay. Then this division, it is here. Division means what? M minus n. Okay, you have to do it without any mistake. Then next, it is the third question. 25 raised to 4 divided by 5 cube. So how we can write 25? 25, it is actually 5 square. 5 into 5 is 25 whole raised to 4 divided by 5 cube. So 5 square whole raised to 4. What is that? 5. 2 into 4 divided by 5 cube. 2 into 4 is 8. 5 raised to 8 minus 3. That is divided means minus 3. 5 raised to 5. This was our answer. Okay. That is 25. We can write it as 5 square. Then division we can subtract. Okay. 5 square. 5 square whole raised to 4. Actually that is 5 raised to 8. Divided by 5 cube means 8 minus 3. It is 5 whole raised to 5. Then we can do the next problem. Question number 4. 3 multiplied 7 square into 11 to the power 8 divided by 21 into 11 cube. See, we can see the numbers are different. They are not unique. So in order to make this number similar, first we have to write here as 3 to the power 7 square into 11 to the power 8. 21, how can we write here as 21? 3 into 7. Okay. Then into 11 to the power 3. So if you are simplifying, 3 a to the power m by a to the power n. 3 means here it is 1 to the here also power to the 1. So 1 minus 1 into here what is the 7 means actually what? 7 to the power 1. So 7 2 minus 1 into 11 8 minus 3. That is equal to 3 to the power 0 into 7 to the power 1 into 11 to the power 5. 3 to the power 0 is 1. 7 to the power 1 is 7. 11 to the power 5 is 5. So our answer is 7 multiplied 11 raised to 5 is our answer. Okay. That is, we have to make the question unique. For that we have to simplify it first. Then fifth problem, 3 to the power 7 by 3 to the power 4 into 3 to the power 3. So we can do it the lower portion first. Okay, what is the given here? 3 to the power 7 by 3 to the power 4 and 3. How can we write it? 3 to the power of 4 plus 3. That is equal to 3 to the power 7 by 3 to the power 7. 4 plus 3 is 7. So a to the power m by a to the power n is what? A to the power m by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. So 3 to the power 7 minus 7. What is that? 3 to the power 0. Any number raised to 0, it is 1. So we got the answer as 1. This you have to repeatedly do. Only after that you will be able to do it faster. Okay. Then sixth question. 2 to the power 0 plus 3 to the power 0 plus 4 to the power 0. We have already told that a to the power 0 plus b to the power, that is any number raised to 0, it is what? 1. Okay. So 2 to the power 0 is any number raised to 0 is equal to 1. So 2 to the power 0 is 1 plus 3 to the power 0 1 plus 4 to the power 0 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3. Okay. Then seventh question, 2 to the power 0 into 3 to the power 0 into 4 to the power 0. Here it is addition. In the previous question it is addition and here it is multiplication. So it will be different. 2 to the power 0, that was same, that is 1. into 3 to the power 0, 1, 4 to the power 0, 1. That is same, but first question, that is in the above question, we are doing the addition. Here we are doing the multiplication. So 1 multiplied 1 into 1, that is equal to 1. Next question, 3 raised to 0 plus 2 raised to 0 multiplied 5 raised to 0. 3 raised to 0, we know that any number raised to 0 is 1 plus 2 raised to 0, it is 1 into 5 raised to 0. So this is in the bracket. 5 raised to 0, 1. So 1 plus 1, 2 into 1, that is equal to 2. Okay, clear? The ninth question. Ninth question. 2 to the power 8 into a to the power 5 by 4 cube into a cube. So one number, see here a is similar, but 2 and 4 it is different. So we have to write in a proper way. That is 4 has to be written in the form of 2. 2 to the power 8 into a to the power 5 by. How can we write 4? 4 is equal to 2 square. So 2 square whole cube into a cube. Then we can summarize. Okay, simplify. That is 2 to the power of 8 into a to the power of 5 minus 3 by 2 to the power of 2, that is a raised to m into n. What is that? A raised to m into n. So 2 raised to 6. 2 into 3, that is 6. It is equal to 2 to the power of 8 minus 6 into a to the power of 2 is equal to 2 to the power of 2 square into a square. As these squares are same, what we can write? We can write simplified as 2a whole square. It's also same, no? That is what we have done here, 2 to the power 8, that is 4 is written as 2 square. 4 is written as what? 2 square. Then we had simplified, that is division it is here. So 8 minus 6 into a square. 2 square into a square. It is 2a whole square. Okay. Then next problem. 10th problem. 10th problem. A raised to 5 by a raised to 3 into a raised to 8. What is that? A raised to 5, that is division it is given here. We have to simplify it. A raised to 5 minus 3 into a raised to 8 is equal to a raised to 5 minus 3, a raised to 2 into a raised to 8. What is that? A to the power m into a to the power n. A to the power m plus n. That is equal to a to the power 2 plus 8 is equal to a to the power 10. Clear? Then 11th question. 4 to the power 5, a to the power 8, b to the power 3 by 4 to the power 5, a to the power 5, b square. What is that? Here 5 and 5 similar, so it will get cancelled. Okay, so 4 to the power 5 minus 5. Then a to the power 8 minus 5, b to the power 3 minus 2. So 4 to the power 5 minus 5 is 0, a to the power 3, b to the power 1. 4 to the power 0, it is 1. So a cube b is the answer. A cube b is the answer. Then 12th one. 2 cube into 2 whole square. We have already told that a cube into, that is a raised to m into n is equal to a into mn. So 2 cube into 2 multiplied 2 square, that is equal to 2 to the power of 6 into 2 square is equal to 2 to the power of 8. Okay, if it is given like this, what we have to do is 2 cube into 2, 3 into 2, that is 6 into 2 square, that is equal to 2 to the power of 8. Okay, the next problem, that is what we have to do, it is we have to say whether it is true or false. Whether the given thing it is true or false. First problem, 10 multiplied 10 to the power 11 is equal to 100 raised to 11. So 10 multiplied by 10 to the power 11. It is 10. 10 to, simply writing 10 means 10 to the power 1. A raised to m into a raised to n, that is equal to a raised to m plus n. So 11 plus 1 is equal to 100. How can we write here? 100 is actually 10 square. 10 square whole raised to 11. So 10 to the power 12. It is not equal to 10 to the power 2 whole raised to 11 is 22. It is not equal to, so this problem is false. Okay, this problem is false. Then the second problem, what is it, how it is false? 10 to the power 12, it is not equal to 10 to the power 22. Second problem, 3 cube it is greater than 5 square. We have to find the LHS greater than RHS. That is 2 cube. We already know that 2 cube is 8 and 5 square is 25. So 8 it is not greater than 25. So LHS not equal to RHS. So this question it is false. Okay, first we have to find the values of 2 cube and 5 square. After that we have to tell whether it is true or false. The given question it is true or false. Then third problem, 3 cube is equal to 1000. 3 cube, not 3 cube, 3 raised to 0 is equal to 1000 raised to 0. So any number raised to 0, we have already told that any number raised to 0, anything raised to 0 is 1. So 3 raised to 0 is 1. 1000 raised to 1000 or infinity raised to 0, it is also 1. So this question is true. That is 3 raised to 0 is equal to 1000 raised to 0. Then fourth one, 2 cube into 3 square is equal to 6 raised to 5. That we have to find out. 2 cube is actually 8. That is 2 multiplied 3 times and 3 multiplied 2 times is equal to 6 multiplied how many times? 6 it is been multiplied 5 times. So 2 multiplied 3 times it is 8 into 3 multiplied 2 times it is 9. How much it is that? 9 into 8 it is 72. Then 6 multiplied how many times? 6 it is multiplied 5 times. 6 into 6 36. Again 6 into 6 36. Into 6 we have to find 36 into 6. 6 into 6 36. 3. 6 into 3 18 plus 3 21. 216. 216 into, that is 36 into 6 we had found. Okay, that is 216 which has to be multiplied with 36. 216 has to be multiplied with 36. 6 into 6 36. 6 3. 6 plus 3 9. 18. 18 1 3 4 6. So 6. 9 plus 9 18. 9 plus 8 17. 12, 13, 7. 7376 we are getting. Okay, 7376 we are getting. Actually, what is that? It is not equal to RHS. It is not equal. This number it is found to be relatively high compared to the other number. So it is not equal to RHS. This number it is not equal to RHS, that we have to find out. Okay. So next question. Next we have to express as a product of the prime factors. Question number 4. Express each of the following as a product of prime factors only in the exponential form. So prime factors we have to express it in the exponential form. Exponential form. Okay. First question. 108 into 192. So we have to simplify 108 first. 108 can be simplified using 2. So how many times 2 will be divisible? 5 times. In 8, 4 times. Again 2. 2 times. 1, so 7. In 27, 3 will only be divisible. 9, 3, 1 time. So how can we write it? And again 192 also we can do. After that we can write. Okay, 192 it will be divisible by 2. 9 times. 12 means 6 times. 2. 4 times. 16 means 8 times. 2, 24, 2, 12, 2, 6 times, 2, 3, 3, 1 time. So what is actually 108? 108 is 2 square into 3 cube. 2 square into 3 cube is actually what? 108. Then 2 square into 3 cube is 108 multiplied by 192. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 to the power 6 into 3 to the power 1. First we have to write 108 into 192 in the simplified form. So we got the answer as 2 square into 3 cube for 108 and 2 to the power 6 into 3 to the power 1 for 192. Again simplifying, write the powers of 2 first. Okay, what is the powers of 2 here? 2 to the power of 2 plus 6 into 3 to the power of 3 plus 1. So 2 to the power of 8 into 3 to the power of 4 is the answer for this question. Okay, 2 to the power of 8 into 3 to the power of 4 is the answer for this question. Then second question. Second question, 270. 270 can be simplified. How can we simplify 270? 270 can be simplified by 2, 1 time, 7, 3 time, 10, 5 time. Again 2, 6 time, 15 means how many times? So here not write 3. What we have to write here? Here we have to write as 3. If it is not divisible by 2, we have to write here as 3. So how many times 13 will be divisible by 3? 4 times. Okay. Then 15, 5 times. 45. In 45, 3 how many times? 15 times. 15, 5 times. So what we have to write here? 5, 1. So simplified form is 2 multiplied 3 cube into 5 to the power 1. This was the answer for 270. Okay, answer for 270 is 2 multiplied into 3 cube into 5 to the power 1. So coming to the next question. Question number 3. Question number 3. 729 into 64. So how to shorten this? Write 729 first. As the last part, it is what it is giving the number 9. In which it will be divisible? It will be divisible by 3. 3 how many times it is divisible? 2 times 6. Again giving 1 here, 12, 4, 3 times. Again 3, 8 times 1. Again 3, 9, 3, 3, 1. So how can we write here as 3 to the power? How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times it is. Okay, so 3 to the power 5. 243, 81, 27. Oh, here one number is missing. 3, 27, 9, 3, 1. So 3 to the power 6. We have to write it properly. Okay, 3 to the power 6. Then what is the other number given? 64 is the other number given. 64 when upon division 2. 32, again 2, then 16, again 2, 8, again 2, 4, again 2, 2, 1. So how many times 2 is divisible here? 3, 6. So 2 to the power 6. As exponentials are same, that is a to the power, or we can write a to the power m into b to the power m. How can we write ab whole to the power of m? Likewise, 3 to the power of 6 into 2 to the power of 6 is what? 6 to the power of 6. So what is the answer? 6 to the power 6 is the answer. Okay. Coming to the fourth question. What is the question here? 768 is the question. We have to first divide it. 768, in which it is divisible by 2. First we can write 2. Okay. In 7, 3 times. Shifting 1 here, 8. 16 means 8, 4. Again 2, 1 time. 18 means 9 time. 4 means 2 time. Again 2, 9, 6. 2 means 4 times. 16 means 8 times. 2, 24, 2, 12. Again 2, 6. Again 2, 3, 3 and 1. So what was the answer here? 2 how many times? 2, 4, 6, 8. 2 it is 8 times and 3 1 time. So 768 means 2 to the power 8 into 3 to the power 1. Okay. Coming to the next question, fifth one. 5 to the power 2 to the power 5. Fifth question, 2 to the power 5 whole square into 7 to the power 3. So what we have to write here? Divided by 8 to the power cube into 7. So this was our question. We have to write it in the same way. So see, in the bottom it is given as 8. How can we write 8? 8 is actually 2 cube. 2 multiply 2 into 2. 2 into 2 4. 4 into 2 8. So actually 8 is 2 cube. Okay. So we can write here as 2 to the power of 5 into 2. What is that? 10. A raised to m whole raised to n. A raised to mn. So 2 to the power 10 into 7 cube. Below 1 7 is there. So 3 minus 1 whole divided by 8 is written as 2 cube whole cube. So actually this is 2 to the power 10. A cube whole raised to m. 2 to the power, how much it is? 3 into 3 is 9. So 10 minus 9 into 7 raised to how much? 2. So 10 minus 9, it is 1. 2 to the power 1 into 7 to the power 2. So 2 into 7 square is the answer for this question. Okay, 2 to the power 7 is the answer for this question. So coming to the next question, that is sixth one. So coming to the next question, 25 into 5 square into t raised to 8 by 10 cube into t raised to 4. So how can we write this? 25 can be written as 5 square. Okay, 5 into 5 is 25. Again 5 square into t to the power 8 by, how can we write 10? 10 it is written 2 into 5. 2 into 5 whole cube. That is 10 it is written as 2 into 5 into t to the power 4. Okay. So 5 square into 5 square. How much it is? That is 5. We can write it as in one line. Okay. 5, 2 plus 2 into t to the power 8 minus 4 by 2 to the power cube into 5 cube into t to the power 4. That is equal to 5 raised to 4 is there in the on the top side. 4 minus 3 into t to the power 4 minus 4 by 2 cube. How much it is that? 5 to the power 4 minus 3, 5 into t 4 minus 4, 0. Any number raised to 0 is 1 whole divided by 2 cube. So this is the answer. What is the answer here? 5. That is 8 minus 4, not 4 minus 4. It is 8 minus 4. Okay. One mistake is there. 8 minus 4. What is that? 8 minus 4. T to the power 4. For our answer is 5 into t to the power of 4 by 2 to the power 3 is the answer for this question. Okay. Then final problem. Final problem. Third one, 3 to the power 5 into 10 to the power 5 into 25 by 5 to the power 7 into 6 to the power 5. How can we write this? We have to write in the simplified form. 3 to the power 5 into 10 to the power 5. How can we write? 10 can be written as 2 into 5. Okay, 25, 5 square. 5 square is 25. 5 raised to 7 into 6 can be written as 2 into 3 whole raised to 5. Again this can be written as 3 into 5 into 2 to the power 2 into 5 it is 10. Here it is not 10, here it is 5. Okay, 2 into 2 raised to 5 into 5 raised to 5 into 5 to the power 2 by 5 to the power 7 into 2 to the power 5 into 3 to the power 5. That is equal to 3. How many 3 is coming? 3 to the power 5. 2 times it is coming. So 3 whole raised to 5 minus 5. Why we have written like that? This 5 it is coming downside. So a to the power m by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. So 3 to the power 5 minus 5 into 2. N in 2 it is coming downside. 1 2 it is coming downside. 5 minus 5. Then 5 minus 5 it is written, 3 and 5, 2 it is written, then 5. How many 5s are coming? Into 5. Here 5 plus 2 it is 7. Below also 1 7 is there. So 7 minus 7. Summarizing, 3 to the power 5 minus 5, 0 into 2 to the power 5 minus 5, 0 into 7 minus 7, 0. So 5 raised to 0. So what we are getting? 3 to the power 0, 1 into 2 to the power 0, 1 into 5 to the power 0, 1. That's equal to 1 multiplied 1 into 1 is equal to 1. So that's all about this session. This is the part 2. The next problems we can see in the part 3. So if you are interested, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you.